If you take a minute to look around your home or your neighborhood, you can probably see lots of plants. And chances are there are several different kinds of plants. Some are small, while others are quite large. Some have flowers, while others don't. A few may have seeds. Some may be young and just starting to grow, while others may be reaching the end of their lives. During the next few minutes, we're going to take a look at how plants change during the course of their lives as we explore plant life cycles. You describe. Describe how you looked when you were a baby. When you were a baby, you were quite small. You couldn't walk or talk. But as you grew older, you got bigger, stronger, and you learned to speak. Someday, you'll become an adult and maybe have your own children. The process of living things being born, growing, and changing throughout life is called a life cycle. All living things, including plants, have a life cycle. Sometimes life cycles are represented by circular diagrams, like this one. The different phases in a life cycle are called stages. Even though all living things are not the same, most have similar life cycle stages. Let's now take a look at the beginning life cycle stage of a plant. You observe. What do you observe attached to this plant? You see many small dark-colored objects. These objects are called seeds. Many plants produce seeds. These sunflower seeds, for example, came from this large sunflower plant. What exactly is a seed? A seed is a small capsule that contains a plant embryo. Under the right conditions, a seed containing a plant embryo can grow into a plant. If the seed receives air, enough water, and the proper temperature, it germinates. A seed germinates when the embryo inside begins to grow and develop. Seeds are important because they are the beginning stage of the plant life cycle. They're also important because animals, as well as people, often eat seeds. In the early days of a germinating seed, the root is the first to appear, followed by the stem. The plant is nourished by food from within the seed. Next, leaves begin to emerge. The young plant enters a new life cycle stage called a seedling. A seedling is a very young plant. Depending on the type of plant, it may continue to grow over many weeks or many years. These large sequoia trees, for example, have the ability to live and grow for thousands of years. As plants grow, they get taller and larger. We have already seen how seeds germinate and grow. You decide. Where do seeds come from? Seeds come from adult plants. When a plant becomes fully grown, it enters another life cycle stage called an adult. Adult plants are capable of reproducing. Reproduction is the process of producing new living things. Adult plants reproduce in different ways. As we discussed, seeds are a common way that plants reproduce. Flowers are the part of the adult plant responsible for making seeds. Eventually, plants go through the last stage in their life cycle, death. Some plants live only a few weeks or months, while others, such as this bristlecone pine tree, live to be over 2,000 years old before dying. During the past few minutes, we explored some of the fascinating features of plant life cycles. We began by defining the term life cycle. Then we looked at the beginning stage of the life cycle of many plants, the germination of a seed. Next, we saw how plants grow and develop from seedlings to adults. Last, we saw how plants are able to reproduce new plants when they become adults. This completed our exploration of plant life cycles. Fill in the correct word to complete the sentence. Number 1. This is a diagram of a life. Number 2. A plant life cycle often starts with these small objects called Number 3. A seed when the embryo begins to grow. Number 4. A is a young plant. And number 5. Plants have the ability to reproduce.